Hello guys, welcome to my channel Code Guru. So today's topic is tslint and how to fix all tslint errors in one go. So first of all, what is tslint? So basically tslint is a tool to check typescript code for readability and code maintainability. It also check your functional errors, and it works with tslint JSON file where you define set of rules how your coding style going to be. So if you can see, let tslint JSON file. Here you can check I have defined set of rules. So various rules like comma format, and if you can search for the quote mark. So here you can check I have defined double instead of single. So in my code I will use double quote mark. So it works with tslint plugin. You have to install tslint plugin in your vscode, and it is from Microsoft. And what it does is it mark your code that violates your rule in tslint file. So here you can check it is marking an yellow line. So if you can check quote mark is double, so I am using single quote mark. So it is showing single should be double, so it is violating my tslint rule, and it has marked yellow line that. Now if you can see some other files, here you can see same violating of rule, so marking the yellow line. So to fix all these errors in just one go, I have defined a script in my package.json file. You can I have written in there. So if you want to fix all tslint errors from the project, you have to write tslint and fix, and then project and the location of your tsconfig.json file. So I have defined a script for that tslint. So all you need to run yarn tslint. So when you run it, so it will start working. So as you can check, in this project is linked to GitHub and there is no pending changes there. So as this has started working, it will start changing files, and now you have to wait. It will, as you can see, it changed one file and then second. So because it has fixed it updated your code, that's why there are changes in your files. So one by one it will fix all the tslint errors from your all the files. So it may take some time, maybe 5 to 10 minutes based on your machine. So there may be some rules that it will not fix automatically. So you 10% chances are there are some code that it will not automatically get fixed. So for that you have to fix it automatically. Like their login event handler, I have defined a rule every function has a return type, so I have to fix it automatically. So as you can see, there is a user profile component. So if you go there, there will be some rules that are still pending, like on edit to have a type definition. So on edit there must be a type, so there should be a void type. So on submit I am not returning nothing, so void type. And on get profile details, so again this is not returning nothing, so you have to type void as return type, and same for the set profile. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel.